Hey guys, welcome back to Sparkman Homestead. Today is a very busy day for me. We are getting ready to head out to the racetrack for 4 days, and I'm just trying to get all of our stuff ready so that I have all of our meal stuff kind of prepared ahead of time. It's one of the ways that makes camping in the trailer a lot easier for me. I am the one that's responsible for cooking all of our meals because Steven is busy working all weekend. So I like to just kind of throw something in the Instapot, leave it and go, but I do have to get some stuff prepared ahead of time. One thing that I actually need to do is I need to go and pick up some milk. I normally get a gallon of milk a week from local Amish, but I actually did not get it because I do the pickup on either Wednesday or Thursday, and I knew this week was going to be too busy for me to drive out and pick it up. It's about 25 minutes east of me, I believe. So yeah, I knew I wasn't going to have time to go and pick it up. So I am going to do what I do when I don't have time to do that. We have a local dairy right down the street from us, and it is amazing. They sell cream, chocolate milk, regular milk, whole milk, you name it, you just go in and grab it. It is a honor system, so they have a cooler set up. You just go in, you get what you need, you write down what you're buying, and then you leave your cash. I had actually talked to the owner because I was amazed that they could actually get that honor system and nobody stole from them. And they said, well, we do have cameras. So just keep that in mind when you are seeing me go in and out of this place. They do have cameras set up all over. And the company is amazing. And you know what she said to me when I asked her about that? Aren't you guys concerned about people stealing? She said, if somebody needs milk that bad, then take it. And when she said that, I was just like, oh, this is definitely a company that I want to be buying my stuff from. So anyways, we're going to head out that way. And yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me. I also wanted to let you guys know, if you see any driving footage, I am putting my camera on the dashboard. I do not drive texting. I do not drive talking on the phone. Well, I mean, I do, but it's a hands-free thing where it's on the car stereo. So don't worry, I am not holding the camera when I am driving. It is actually just sitting. It is actually just sitting here on this dashboard. So don't worry. Okay, let's go. This is the store right here. But they don't have any cream, so I actually have to give them a call. It's just a little tiny store in here. It's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna give them a call to see if I can get some cream. See if I can get cows. There's the cows. They actually have 2 Highlander cows, which I am absolutely in love with. Oh, I love them. So cute. So living in the country, this is a normal thing right now. Getting stuck behind one of these. It's a nice slow drive. All right, we are now back from the milk place. Hope you enjoyed that little trip with me. I wanted to let you guys know that after this, I have included a clip of me in my garden harvesting some of the peppers and a loofah. I got my very first loofah planted. I actually brought it in and opened it up with you guys. So that will be after this. So I hope you guys enjoy that clip. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but there is crickets in my garage. So I always take my shoes and shake them because I do not like crickets in my shoes. These are my official gardening shoes. Steven's Crocs. They work. Okay, most important tool. Probably should also have my sunglasses, but that is fine. We'll just squint. It's beautiful out today. It's warmed up a smidge bit now. Heading to the garden. The first thing I do when I come out here is I always check this plant to see if I have any more. Yep, I do. Hiding. Actually going to pick some more banana peppers because I want to make stuffed banana peppers for supper this week. And I figure why not pick them. I try to pick like the bigger long ones, but I mean these ones are okay. I do split them in half. I'm also going to pick some jalapenos because we have so many jalapenos. I am going to give some, bugs in the garden. I am going to give some to Stephen's friend that we went to go and pick the pears from last night. I'm going to give him some jalapenos. It's kind of like a bartering system. He gave us pears, and now I'm going to give him jalapenos. Our jalapenos turned out super small. These ones were Greg's Grande jalapenos, and they didn't get too grande, but that's fine. They are still very, very spicy. Pick some. I think I'm going to make some shishitos as a side tomorrow, so I'm also picking some of those. Ooh, guys, found this red jalapeno in there. That is going to be one hot jalapeno. Of these things. The ones that are like dead like this, I just throw on the bottom and I let them compost on the bottom. For some reason, my shishito peppers are starting to go red. They have been doing it all season. I think it's when we get the really hot days, they go red. Again, I don't really use them because they're too soft. So just throw them on the ground and let them compost. I'm also clearly not too concerned with picking leaves off because we are at the end of the season, so. Because shishito peppers and pepperoncinis look almost identical, like this is a pepperoncini and this is a shishito, I put them, see, I already forgot which one was which. Will put these in a separate container because I don't want to get them mixed up. They are almost identical. I mean, this pepperoncini is a little bit more riper, so it's lighter green, but yeah, they are almost identical, so I do not want to get them mixed up. And then pick this banana pepper that's not good. Again, I got some pepperoncinis that have gone red also. I just pulled them off because I'm not going to use them. I'm going to let the plant put its energy into ripening up the ones I actually want to use. And I mean, it's just going to add compost to the soil, so that is fine. Did get out here yesterday and do a little bit of maintenance on, mowed the yard, and yeah, there's so many red ones in here. harvested. I was out here the other day and I harvested a whole bunch. So like I said, there was ones in the ones in the fridge. So there's not very many left out here on the plant. But that. Just checking to see if I have any more ripe tomatoes over here. Hiding. See, like I'll pick these ones. They're not ripe yet, but like I just don't want the bugs to get them. There's one hiding in there that, get at it. See? Bugs. I don't know if I can use that one or not. I think it's closed up. We'll see. I'll cut it open and see. So frustrating, guys. This beautiful big tomato, worm got in it. I cannot use that, but the chickens will like that. So I'll go and give that to the chickens. Okay, we are gonna go over to the loofah tree because when I was actually watching back that video that I had filmed in the garden, I realized that I have a surprise in here and I'm so excited. Now, like I said, I tend to be a little careful in here. Look at this. I probably need to get some clippers to get that off. Got some clippers. Let's snip it off. It's oh my gosh, I'm gonna open this inside. This is exciting. It's completely crisp and ready to open up. You hear the seeds rattling inside. Guys, this makes me really, really excited. I have wanted to grow these forever. I'm just gonna double check and see. Again, don't want to get stung. I'm gonna check in here and see. I think that's my only really ripe one that I have. Oh, I lied. There's another one in here. Now this one does still have a little green on it, but I'm gonna bring this inside to finish ripening. If I'm squinting, it's pretty bright out here. I'll be able to tell once that foliage on that loofah plant starts to die back, I will start to be able to see the ones that are starting to die more. But super exciting that I got 2 of them. I want to go inside now and open it up. Whew, my hair is starting to come out. Okay, I'm just gonna check and see if we have any more of these peach ones. Definitely have Anaheims that need to get picked, but not my concern today. You know what? I have a lot on here, but I think I want to let them go a little bit more because I don't want to pick them too early, and I really don't think 41 will damage them. Like tonight's low, it's calling for 41. I think they'll be fine. I guess this is an experiment. We're gonna see if they're gonna be fine at 41 because I don't want to pick those yet. Tabascos, this is a problem when everything kind of gets ripe all at one time, especially with the peppers. You're kind of left at the end of the season to it's almost like crunch time. Everything comes, sorry, there's just a butterfly. I hope he comes over here. It's kind of like crunch time where you got to do everything all at once, which is a little rough. I also wanted to open this Loofa before we start canning because I cannot wait any longer. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Look. Oh my gosh, this is like amazing. Look at it. It's like an actual sponge. Oh, can't wait. Definitely making a mess, but it's worth it. So I might save these seeds from this. I do have some still left over in the seed packet, but being that these grew so well, I think I'm going to save the seeds because that plant was really produced a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have so many loofahs. Look at it. That is absolutely amazing. It's a loofah. And so look at all the seeds. All the loofah seeds that I have. I'm going to save those. And then I can grow loofah. Look at how cool it is. This is a loofah sponge that I grew. Oh, that's so awesome. I think it has to dry out a little bit still because it's still kind of got some, feels still a little bit moist, but yeah, that is amazing. I am super, super excited about that. Look at how many seeds came out of just that one loofah. One loofah. Do you know how many loofahs I could grow with this? Definitely could go into the loofah business. That is amazing. And there's still a couple more loofahs in, or seeds in here, but, and I have like 20 of these on that plant. So I'm gonna be loofah seed rich, that's for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed that pepper and loofah harvest. That has been on my bucket list to grow loofahs, and this year that plant did amazing, so it's super exciting for me. And I definitely will take you along when I harvest the rest of those loofahs off of that plant, not tree. I call it a tree because the thing is so huge. So you'll find that I actually call my peppers trees, and I call that loofah a tree. Anything that is like at least 3 feet off the ground, in my world, I consider it a tree. So, but I will keep putting the little captions on the bottom if I mislabel it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I have to get going out to the racetrack to meet Steven. But again, like I said earlier, I'm definitely taking you guys with me. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day or night. Bye guys.